Hello everyone, it's me JB from Unique Tutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to find the refresh rate that your computer or mobile or tablet display screen is currently using. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now I'm using a Windows computer, so I'll be using a Mac computer, Linux computer, or Android or iOS smartphones or tablets. Still the tricks will remain the same. So firstly, just open any web browser. And in the Google search, just search for one name UFO test, and on the first list you will see its official website. So here you can see here refresh rate. Just click on it and you need to wait for some seconds. So have patience. So you can see here the refresh rate that my computer display screen is currently using is 60 Hz. So it's clearly being mentioned here. You can see here this refresh rate test is designed to accurately measure your refresh rate of your display in Hz, and you can see here wait at least 30 seconds for an accurate measurement. So you can see here if you're finding it's not able to detect, then just kindly wait for almost 30 seconds in order to get the accurate results using this application. You can just click on this expand also if you want to show it in the full screen mode also. And even you can change the background color if you want to change the background color from here also, or you can just show it like a 60 Hz or something like that. So by going to this website, you can easily find the refresh rate that your computer or mobile or tablet display screen is currently using very easily. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.